Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and I've found an exciting new way to get lots of views on YouTube. This is great for beginners or even seasoned YouTube creators. If you want to see how to get more views on videos that you're uploading using a few awesome new tricks that I've just discovered in the last week, stick around and I'll show you how to do it right now. Okay, so basically the way that I've been getting a lot more views than normal is by trying to get my videos to rank high in search terms. To do this, all you're going to need is a YouTube channel, a video to upload, so a video that you've created, and an awesome little plugin for your browser called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a keyword research tool, and it also shows you how high your videos are going to rank on YouTube. I found a way to do that before you even publish the video, which is actually really cool because you can experiment with different groups of different keywords to see how you might rank a lot higher in YouTube. So if you don't already have the TubeBuddy plugin, this is what their site looks like. It's tubebuddy.com, and I will leave a link in the description so you can get this extension for your browser. There's a completely free version that works totally fine, and there's a premium version which I've been using for about 2 years. But you can do all of this with the free version. So this is my one of my other YouTube channels based around meditation music and relaxation music. So what we're going to do very first of all, this is step one. We're going to use TubeBuddy to find a low competition, high search keyword that we're going to try and rank our video for. So this is the TubeBuddy. Once you've installed it and linked up your YouTube account, this is the TubeBuddy right here. And we're going to go to Keyword Explorer. Now here, this is where I just search for all sorts of different terms like meditation music. So this is where you can just start and then see how it sort of like already gives you extra ideas here. So if I wanted to do meditation music for sleep, I would explore that. And then it would show me, see there's like, this is telling me this is a poor one because there's lots of competition. So maybe we need to go for a bit of a longer one. Let's go meditation music for sleep and anxiety. Let's try this one. At the moment, I'm just going to go unweighted because weighted is for my channel in particular and unweighted is just in general. So let's just go unweighted because that's easier to find keywords on the unweighted. Let's see if we can actually find one that's a bit more meditation music for sleep and anxiety music. Let's try that. So anyway, I did that for a while and I found a good one called meditation music to stop anxiety. And you'll see here, even on the weighted, we've got an excellent score of 82, which means lots of people are searching for it. And there's sort of a medium amount of competition. So this is the keyword we are trying to rank for. So basically you pop that keyword as the first line of text in your description. You also pop it as the first line of text in your, this is your title and then your description. And then we're going to try and pop that keyword in maybe 1 or 2 times more in. So we're going to start typing just some text about what the video is about. So let's just say, I hope you enjoy my music, let's say, my meditation music to stop anxiety. I created it for people wanting so that's step one. Let's just pop it in here again. So we've got the main keyword we're trying to rank for once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. And let's just pop it in a 5th time. Let's do it 5 times. We can pop it in like with a slightly different configuration. If you want more music. So you're just trying to type it in there. More music to stop anxiety. Or meditation audio, please subscribe to my channel. So there we go. We've got the keyword. Step 2 is popping it in the title, the description, and we're also going to pop that as our first tag as well. So let's go down to tag. So this is just the screen you get if you're wondering when you upload a video. So there it is, there's my tag. Okay, now this is another good trick. You should go and find some other videos that are similar to this. So let's go into YouTube and type meditation music. So we're going to find some other videos that have a lot of views. So let's find one with millions of views. Here's one with 300 million views. We're going to copy their title. And this is a really cool little trick that I learnt. We're just going to go, this video was inspired by, so this video was inspired by, and then the name of their video, and then you're going to copy by hitting the share, the URL to their video, and pop that in there. This is starting to give all this information to YouTube and Google about what your video is about, and you're much more likely to rank for these terms. Okay, so now that we've got all this nice description and we've got the keyword that we want to rank for, this is my awesome secret hack that I've just found. So what we're going to do is, before we put in any more keywords, we're going to go next. I'm not going to pop the monetization on at the moment. I'm going to go next. I'm not going to do any of this. All I want to do is go to schedule and then set as premiere. And I'm going to schedule this for tomorrow. I'm going to be posting this today, but I'm going to schedule this for tomorrow and then hit schedule. Now I'm going to go away, make myself a cup of coffee and wait for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and join you, because this needs a little bit of time now for that to sit in the YouTube and just for it to collect the information for this to work properly. I'll see you in just a moment. Okay, we're back. And I'm seeing something that I really like in the tags section down here. My TubeBuddy plugin is telling me that this is going to be ranking very high in the YouTube search results. Number 4, in fact, that little green 4. So basically that feature is normally only available about 10 or 15 minutes after you have published a video. But with that little hack that I found, if you set it for a future scheduled premiere, it loads it into the back end and starts compiling the data basically for the SEO of the video before you even publish the video, so you can experiment with all sorts of keywords. You'll see if I go into one of my other really popular videos on this particular YouTube channel, this is called Wellness Digital. If I grab one of my, this one's got 3 million views on it, my white noise video, it will show you that I am ranking really high for all these search terms. See down here under the tags, 2 hours white noise, 2 hour white noise, I'm first, I'm number 1, which means I'm going to get heaps of traffic from YouTube. So we're trying to get these green numbers, as many of them as possible. So I'm going to now go back and I'm going to use all of the suggestions that TubeBuddy is giving me here. Now you only get, I think, 3 suggestions if you've got the unpaid version. If you've got one of the paid licenses, it'll give you unlimited amounts. And it's very cheap to get TubeBuddy. It's only like, the licenses are between like $10 or $20 a month. There's an even cheaper version, I think, the basic plan. Sometimes when I was first starting out, I would just pay for a month and use it for a month and then like pause it for a while. But now I use it every month because it's just great for my YouTube. So there's relevance, keyword score, and search traffic. So I'm going to use this keyword score to find really high scoring keywords here. So let's see if any of these, if I start adding these to my, it should start to populate straight away. And look at that, that's beautiful. Instant relief music is number 3. So I can just go through and start adding all of these until I've reached the cap of 500 words there. So I'm just going to keep going, and it's going to show me the ones that this is going to rank really well for, and then the ones not so much. So what I can do is, it's got here beautiful nature for health, and that's not, that keyword isn't going to rank at all, so I'm going to remove that one. And this one's not ranking at all, so I'm going to remove that one. And basically, yep, mental health TikToks, because that's nothing to do with this video really. And mental health all-time low remix, that's nothing to do with this video either. So you'll see that these, anything that's relaxing music, sleep, instant relief music, anxiety music. So let's go through and see if there's any more on those topics. Music for stress relief and a chill, calming music. I can even type in other things like meditation music for anxiety, so something similar to that first one. And it will auto, so meditation music for anxiety, and it will auto populate these. So it's got some other ones here. I can try these to see if I'll rank, and you can go temporarily over the limit, and it will still give you the rankings, which is really good. So I'm going to get rid of the ones that are ranked low, like 20, and I'm going to keep the ones that are basically 3, 4, 5, or 6. Those are the ones I really want to keep. So now that it looks like I'm going to be ranking for some of these really good keywords that are going to give me heaps of traffic, I am going to, instead of premiere for tomorrow, I'm just going to publish this right now. Save or publish, and what I always like to do is go public, and if it's a long video, more than 10 minutes, I always set it as an instant premiere. That just means that people can comment on it, and it's like it's a live video. So let's go done, and this will publish it immediately. So now here is the ultimate test to see how well I've done. Let's go and open an incognito YouTube page and go to youtube.com as if I was a complete stranger. Now let's see if I type in meditation music for anxiety and sleep. Meditation music for anxiety and sleep. So this would be like if a stranger was typing it in. Let's actually try the keyword meditation to stop anxiety. Let's try the main keyword. Yes, so there I am. That's my video there, Wellness Digital, and it seems to be that I am in the top 20. And this is, sometimes ranking for this meditation music and the relaxation music can be really hard. So let's have a look. If I refresh this page, sometimes some of these rankings might drop a little bit, but if a lot of people end up watching this video in the first week, some of these will actually get better and I'll go up higher in the results. So that's basically it. As a recap, you just upload a video, you do some keyword research using TubeBuddy plugin, you find a good keyword to try and rank for, make sure it's in the title and the description and the tags, write a good paragraph or two with those keywords in it multiple times, up to 5 if possible, and then also do an inspired by these videos and put in 3 to 5 videos in the same genre. That will help tell YouTube that your video is similar to these videos and you might get recommended after people have watched those other videos. That's how to get more views on YouTube for beginners. I hope you enjoyed this content. Make sure you do subscribe to this channel if you found this content valuable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.